What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Sexy J. As you can tell by the title, we are eating a seafood boil. Hey, let's say grace and get right on into this video because it's mighty late. You understand me? Okay. Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for the food. Please bless this food, make it nourish to my body. Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your bae. I got a with dress. Hey, y'all know how I do it. You feel me? So let's get right on to this video. So you guys, I got lobster tails. I have crab legs. I have eggs. And I also have them smoked sides. I like mine burnt. I don't know how y'all like y'all's, but I like mine burnt. You feel me? Okay. And also I got that H2O. Got that lemon extract. And also, you guys, I have that zero sugar mini mag. Let's get around to this video. Okay. Guys, I am super hungry. How you guys feeling today? Man, I messed up my eggs, but let's get right in this video. You feel me? This is the Smart cholesterol butter. I don't use regular butter. It's 12 o'clock at night. And my first meal of the day, I'm hungry. If y'all hear anything, that's my air conditioner. It was hot today in Houston. Today. Put the thing open. Put the thing. I made 2 hours and overcook these crab legs today. I got some lime over there. But I ain't gonna use it. How you guys doing today? What do you guys like? Comment, subscribe. Leave the comments down below. I'm waiting. You know? And take a bite as well. I just cleaned up my kitchen, you guys. I always tell you guys that. Cause when as I make my meals, I clean up. You hear me? Take a bite. You guys, I'm gonna get back to the old me. Not the old me. But I'm gonna change my hairdo up. I braided my hair up. I don't like hair on my food, so let me not touch my hair. And I'm gonna change that thing up. Y'all see in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna change that thing up. It's good. As y'all know, if you're new to the channel, the reason why I don't have corn and potatoes. Because my channel consists of a keto diet. We want to lose the weight, you feel me? I'm almost at that journey. I got to scare you guys. I ain't gonna tell you our way yet. I'm gonna holler at y'all at the end of this month. Mm. 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 This is good. I'm so hungry. You know what? I can't say this the first meal of the day, guys. I told y'all this is a 100, 1,000 channel. Guess what I had? I had a turkey with one piece of bread, a turkey sandwich with the keto bread and a little mustard and some cheese. Cause I had to make some runs today. I did them around out the door. Check those videos out that I posted. I went to Outback. I'm gonna make it real simple. When I went to Outback, the chips put a little dent in my low carb diet, but it wasn't that bad, you know, because I only had a few. I actually brought it back home and ate it the next day. Well, I eat that much of it. You know. Let's put this thing up. Let's crack that thing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know. I got a little bucket over here. Drop all my dirty stuff in there. And I'm gonna put it in a bag. And put it in the drop it in the bag and wrap it up. Ooh, looking good, ain't it? I was watching my channel, watching my TV. Just checking that thing out. I stayed off for a minute off the channel because you guys need to subscribe to what I already post, you know? Hit that like and subscribe button and show your girl Sexy J some love, you know? I ain't doing pranks and all that extra stuff. I ain't finna run up my blood pressure, you know what I mean? But you know, I'm eating that good food. Good healthy food. Okay, guys. Okay, I gotta wash my hands right quick. We're gonna try this zero sugar. I already tried it. I want y'all to try it with me. You feel me? I don't want a lot because I'm gonna drink my water. It's good. I promise you. That thing pussy. If you're diabetic and y'all watching this video, I'm telling you, tune in to my videos because I was on my way to a diabetic. And I stopped everything when they told me I was a pre-diabetic. I said, oh, okay, let me cut everything off. And I cut that thing down. I don't eat no sugar. You know, everything I do will be proteins. I had this before. It's in the lemonade too, you guys. But anyway, let's continue this video. You know, I just hope I can help somebody. You know, that's all I be trying to do. And try the keto bread out. My cholesterol was high. I cut all that frying out. And I started using that smart butter, which is what I use today. It helps promotes cholesterol. And then I use the grease to fry my chicken with no batter. And it helps with healthy heart. Tune in to me, guys. Don't sleep on me. I'm full. Man, I'm telling you, when you shrink that stomach, and you like, man, I've been cooking this thing since 10 o'clock tonight. And take a bite. Take a bite. You want a bite? And I'm thinking about doing a seafood boil for a week. Because I want to lose 10 pounds in a week. Even if I don't do the seafood boil, y'all see me at Outback. Not Outback. Y'all see me, y'all see me at Outback. But I'm saying y'all see me at Buffalo Wild Wings. This type of food, you'll drop pounds real quick. Check my first video out. I'm trimming down a little bit at the top, you know. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm going walking all this week. I ain't gonna take you guys with me. It slowed me down. You guys slow me down. I ain't gonna see y'all slow me down. I'm just saying, like, I had to focus, you know? Shout out to the girl that commented on my video. She was like, I'm here before you blow up. Girl. Thank you, sis. At the end of the day, I already know that thing gonna blow up. I don't be just talking. I had good conversation, you know? Don't send for me. I'm traveling the week after this, you guys. I'm taking you guys with me. Come. Y'all coming? Don't play. I'm taking y'all butts with me. This is good. Man, and you know. You guys, I making a big change on my videos. And I'm new to this, so I'm trying to watch my video. My kids told me, they were like, you keep watching them videos, I watch them like that because I need to see what I need to fix. And if you're a real subscriber, you know I changed up my thumbnails. When I got like the low volume of subscribers or likes and comments, I said I need to change up, you know, I need to change up the thumbnail because I need y'all to see what I'm doing, you know? I need y'all to come. I need y'all see, y'all watch a lot of videos, probably people eat all their food up. But I was trying to show you guys when you're on a keto diet, your stomach strength, you can't eat all that food like that, you guys. You know? You can't eat all that food. So right now I'm full. I'm just eating right now. I'm binging. Just to be on the camera, because I know y'all get tired of me saying I'm gonna go. Because, you know, I don't know. Y'all got these crab there. Let me some crab there for you guys. Y'all remember I was up at Dollar Tree? If y'all ain't watched that video, go watch it. Dollar Tree done went up. I got these 10 pans from y'all. For you guys. You know? I got it for you guys. I said, let me get this for my subscribers. So we're going to have a seafood boil soon. Y'all know I do a seafood boil at least once a week. I ain't gonna say once a week. Let me say every other week. So that's what y'all like to see. Y'all like them Buffalo Wild Wings. Y'all like them Buffalo Wild Wings videos. Guys, I'm not wearing, I'm always with my apron when I do my videos. I had just took a tag off a shirt on one of my videos, and this butter sauce will not get out that shirt. I done washed it 5 times, and it ain't coming out. I'm gonna go in there and see if it came out today, because I washed it again and see if it come out, but I doubt it. But I ain't tripping though. I just want to satisfy you guys, you know. Let's get some H2O in. I'm full. Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, this that extract lemon water. I got vitamin C in it, you guys. Tap into it. Oh, my hand's slippery. Okay, let's get this H2O in. I was gonna do an ASMR video, but I didn't charge up my my microphone, you guys. And I was hungry. Let's eat another egg. I'm full. I know you guys, once you be on that keto diet, you be full. I ate all my sauce. Now, that butter I be buying, it costs like $7. $7. So, I don't like filling that thing up with butter sauce because I don't never eat all my sauce. That stuff costs a lot of money. I know y'all probably don't think $7 is a lot, but to me it is. For some butter. Also, who all subscribe? No, my new subscribers. I just got my braces put in December. So if I'm smacking and irritating you, just know that I gotta get used to these braces, you know? Y'all remember when I was in Buffalo Wild Wings, if you my subscribers, my real subscribers, I was mentioning about my eczema. You see, I put some cream on it. And it went down. Yeah. I put that cream on that thing. Ooh, this video 20 minutes long. Yeah, you guys. I'm gonna pack it up. I'm tired, you know? I really am tired. I've been out all day taking care of business. Take a bite. I really have been this busy. I really want to start watching the channels, watch my videos I posted. Get the videos out. You know, I'm for you guys. There's my air coming on. It's hot in Houston, you know. It's hot. I got my crab legs in this. I got a container full of crab legs in here. And I'm gonna put the top on there when I get through, you know. I don't like that seafood stuff in my house. I like to give it a, you know. We're gonna drink a little bit more of this lemonade. Make sure y'all tap into this. You see that 0 sugar. No sugar in it. So if you're diabetic or trying to lose weight or whatever you're trying to do, a carbohydrate, low carb, keto, whatever you're trying to do, tap into this. It's good. And the lemonade is good as well, but I think I like this better. But you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave them comments down below. Don't like. Hit that like and subscribe button. Show your sexy. I always get it twisted when I say that. Show your girl Sexy J some love. And I tell y'all, I was called Sexy J since I was younger. As you can tell, I got it up here on the screen. I'm gonna show you guys. Y'all see that? I was called that for a long, long time before Sexy Red came out. You know? So, don't think I'm copying on nobody because, baby, I don't copy on nobody. I'm gonna keep my real name, my original name. I've been called that. My sisters and them used to call me that for a long time, and I stuck with that name. Even when I make a phone call and I call you, it's gonna say Sexy J across your screen, even though I'm not logged into your phone. You feel me? So every time I call to pay a bill or something, they be like, "Hey, Sexy J," I be so weak. I be like, "Hey," I tell y'all know who I am. They be like, "Baby, you are the one that call and your name come across the screen is Sexy J." But anyway, you guys, just know I love you guys. Make sure y'all tell your friend, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your daddy, tell your uncle, tell your sister, tell your cousin, tell their kids and the other kids, you know what I'm saying, to subscribe to Sexy J channel. Especially if you want to live a healthy life, you know. I changed my life up with eating healthy because I had so much stuff going on, my cholesterol, my potassium, my blood pressure. So I just want to spread the word and show you guys how I've changed everything and how my numbers have been correct. You know what I'm saying? So like, comment, and subscribe. Leave the comments down below and just know Sexy J love you guys. Okay? Peace out. See you guys tomorrow. Okay? Bye.